हेलो पिलामाने सिद्धार्थ क्लासेस तुम स्वागत। परीक्षा दर्पण 2026 रे देथिबा सेकंड लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश रो सेट 2 रो किछि ऑब्जेक्टिव एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आमे डिस्कशन करिया को जाउछे। एक नंबर लेंचोस वाइफ टू हार्ड डीप फेथ इन गॉड व्हिच वन ऑफ द ऑप्शन सपोर्ट दिस ए नो वन डाइज ऑफ हंगर बी वी आर गोइंग टू गेट सम वाटर सी यस गॉड विलिंग डी गॉड सीज एवरीथिंग इवन व्हाट इज डीप इन वन्स कॉन्साइंस। एक नंबर आंसर हम सी येस गॉड विलिंग। 2 नंबर लेंचोस कॉर्नफील्ड वाज टोटली डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय डैश ए स्मॉल हेलस्टोन विथ monsoon shower बी ए प्लेग ऑफ लोकस्ट एंड लाइट रेनफॉल सी ए शावर ऑफ रेन एंड मिस्ट एंड जेंटल ब्रीज डी ए स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड रेन एंड वेरी लार्ज स्टोन्स। 2 नंबर आंसर हम डी ए स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड रेन एंड वेरी लार्ज स्टोन्स। 3 नंबर गांधी had a false notion that dash had nothing to do with education a games and sports b drawing and painting c music and dance d yoga and meditation। 3 नंबर आंसर हम ए गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स। 4 नंबर ड्यूरिंग हिज स्कूलिंग गांधी used to win prizes scholarship and had good certificates for that he thanked his dash a teachers b headmaster c merit d good luck। 4 नंबर आंसर हम डी गुड लक। 5 नंबर डैश add to the festive air of the spring festival called Chapchar Kut in Mizoram a flute gongs and bamboo clappers b drum pepa and cymbals d drum gongs and cymbals d flute gong and mridang। 5 नंबर आंसर हम डी फ्लूट गोंग्स एंड मृदंग। 6 नंबर पोपीर इज द नेम ऑफ ए डैश ए फोक सॉन्ग बी फोक डांस सी मॉडर्न डांस डी मॉडर्न सॉन्ग। 6 नंबर आंसर हम बी फोक डांस। 7 नंबर इफ वन इज ambitious to succeed in a trade or profession one must dash a maintain his or her health b continue his her education c take advice from a teacher d avoid bad company। 7 नंबर आंसर हम बी continue his her education। 8 नंबर डैश आर गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सुइटेबल रिक्रिएशंस ए गैम्बलिंग एंड गॉसिपिंग विथ फ्रेंड्स बी स्लीपिंग एंड idling सी प्लेइंग मोबाइल गेम्स एंड वाचिंग टीवी डी रीडिंग गुड बुक्स एंड वाटरिंग प्लांट्स। 8 नंबर आंसर हम डी रीडिंग बुक्स एंड वाटरिंग प्लांट्स। An average adult exchanges about dash air per day as stated in the chapter air pollution a hidden menac। ऑप्शन ए 1.5 kg बी 2.5 kg सी 15 kg डी 25 kg। 9 नंबर आंसर हम सी 15 kg। 10 number the phrase lungs slowly become garbage dumps means that dash a lungs store only oxygen b lungs remove all pollutant from air c harmful substances are gradually in the lungs store d lungs stop working at once। 10 नंबर आंसर हम सी harmful substances are gradually in the lungs store। 11 number rushes are waterside plants which are used for dash a making idols and statues b making fans c making mats and baskets d making bags and doormats। 11 number answer हम सी making mats and basket। 12 number the poem all things bright and beautiful is included in which of the following poetic collection a hymen for children b once in a royal david city c verses for holy season d christmas carol। 12 number answer हम डी christmas carol। 13 number a voice thrilling near was heard whose voice was thrilling for the poet a voice of the cuckoo bird b voice of the maiden c voice of the nightingale d voice of the traveler। 13 number answer हम b voice of the maiden। 14 number in dash time the dash bird breaks the silence of the seas a spring cuckoo b spring nightingale c autumn cuckoo d autumn nightingale। 14 number answer of a spring cuckoo। 15 number the poem village song is composed by dash a Sarojini Naidu b William Wordsworth c C.F. Alexander d R.N. Tagore। 15 number answer of a Sarojini Naidu। 16 number which of the following expressions in village song means the music of nature a the laughter of sun b the bridal song c the forest notes d the cradle song। 16 number answer of C. The forest notes. 7 number the Maoist east wind comes marching. Find out the appropriate literary device which is used in the above line. Option A simile, B metaphor, C personification, D alteration. 17 number answer of C personification. 18 number which statement is incorrect according to the poet. In the poem The Flower of School, A. Flowers are attending school secretly underground. B. When rain comes, flower burst suddenly. C. Flower rush out in red, blue, and yellow dresses. D. Branches clash and leaves rustle in the wild wind. 18 number answer hobo C. Flowers rush out in red, blue, and yellow dresses. 19 number according to Sarojini Naidu in the poem The Village Song, the bridal robes are dash. A. Golden and silver. B. Silver and saffron. C. Golden and saffron. D. Silver and red. 19 number answer of B. Silver and saffron. 20 number how many years ago Vicky was part of a living human? A. 1 year. B. 2 year. C. 3 year. D. 4 year. 20 number answer of B. 2 year. 21 number where did writer's grandfather discover the tiger cub? A. Behind the tent. B. Under a banyan tree. C. On the forest path. D. In a cave. 21 number answer of C. On the forest path. 22 Timothy become aggressive in the age of about path dash. A. 3 month. B. 1 year. C. 9 months. D. 6 month. 22 number answer of D. 6 month. 23 number what frightened Timothy in the zoo? A. Visitors. B. Keepers. C. Leopard. D. Lion. 23 number answer of C. Leopard. 24 what reason did Luskup give for losing his employment as a school teacher? A. Illness. B. Theft. C. Integrious. D. Laziness. 24 number answer of C. Integrious. 25 where did Sergei meet Luskup after 2 years? A. Church. B. Court. C. Office. D. Theater. 25 number answer of D. Theater. 26 number what happened after the aunt had transferred her property to Juman Sheikh? A. She was rewarded. B. She gained respect. C. She was neglected and ill-treated. D. She left the village. 26 number answer of C. She was neglected and ill-treated. 27 why was Juman secretly happy when Algu Chaudhary was chosen as the chief punch? A. Because Algu was inexperienced. B. Because Algu was his close friend. C. Because Algu was afraid of him. D. Because Algu disliked the aunt. 27 number answer of B. Because Algu was his close friend. 28 number when did Sahuji put a double load on the bullock? A. During the first trip. B. During the second trip. C. During the third trip. D. During the fourth trip. 28 number answer of D. During the fourth trip. 29 according to grandfather from the story a grain as big as a hen's egg, what was the only thing people truly called their own? A. Land. B. Grain. C. Wealth. D. Labor. 29 number answer of D. Labor. 30 number why could not the first old peasant answer the king's question properly? A. Because he was afraid to the king. Because B. Because he was blind. C. Because he was so deep. D. Because he was confused. 30 number answer of C. Because he was so deep. 31 everyone found Mrs. Mohanty to be a very friendly and pleasant person. Write a single word for the underlined phrase. A. Unsociable. B. Repulsive. C. Amiable. D. Hostile. 31 number answer over C. Amiable. 32 Netaji was a famous freedom fighter. He was born in Cuttack. Which option is the correct combination of the above two sentences? A. Netaji was a famous freedom fighter who was born in Cuttack. B. Netaji was a famous freedom fighter who was born in Cuttack. C. Netaji was born in Cuttack was a famous freedom fighter. D. Netaji who was born in Cuttack was a famous freedom fighter. 32 number answer of D. Netaji who was born in Cuttack was a famous freedom fighter. 33 charities one exempted dash paying tax. A. On. B. Of. C. From. D. In. 33 number answer of C. From. 34. She had finished her homework before dash. Choose the correct option from the following to complete the sentence. A. She goes to bed. B. She sent to bed. C. She had gone to bed. D. She go to bed. 34 number answer होगा B. She sent to bed. 35 number, which sentence from the following is not acceptable? A. I can hardly believe it. B. It does not hardly rain in deserts. C. She hardly ever goes to the pictures. D. I can hardly wait to see it. 35 number answer of B. It does not hardly rain in deserts. 36. On the occasion, people clean their homes and discard the old to bring in the new year. The non-finite clause in the above sentence is dash. A. To bring in the new year. B. On this occasion. C. People clean their homes. D. People discard the old. 36 number answer of A. To bring in the new year. 37 number, air pollution has dash effect on a building. A. Damageable. B. Damaging. C. Damaged. D. Damage. 37 number answer of B. Damaging. 38. What does the word menace mean in the context of the title Air Pollution, a hidden menace? A. Blessing. B. A threat. C. A resource. D. A protection. 38 number answer of B. A threat. 39 number, to prevent something or somebody from growing properly, single word for the phrase is dash. A. Achieve. B. Sap. C. Stunt. D. Grace. 39 number answer of C. Stunt. 40 number, character is a priceless possession, so keep it dash. A. Tarnished. B. Deteriorate. C. Untarnished. D. Grace. 40 number answer of C. Untarnished. 41 number, pick out the correct grammatical sentence. A. British have ruled over India for many years. B. British has ruled over India for many years. C. British would have ruled over India many years. C. D. British ruled over India for many years. 41 number answer of D. British ruled over India for many years. 42. Let's me go home. The subject of the sentence is dash. A. Let. B. Me. C. I. D. You. 42 number answer of D. You. 43. The headmaster and scoutmaster dash had dash been invited to the district scout course. A. Has. B. Have. C. Are. D. Are. 43 number answer of A. Has. 44. My teacher made me dash English fluently. A. Speak. B. Speaking. C. To speak. D. Spoken. 44 number answer of A. Speak. 45. Lutinous face is compared to dash the moon. A. With. B. By. C. To. D. On. 45 number answer of C. To. 46. The boy was taken care of by his grandfather after his parents. A. Brought up. B. Brought out. C. Brought in. D. Carried out. 46 number answer of A. Brought up. 47. It appears that Mr. Palai will visit our out class soon. The underlined noun clause function as dash. A. Subject of the sentence. B. Object of a verb. C. Subject complement. D. In opposition of the noun phrase. 47 number answer of C. Subject complement. 48 number, where wishes horses, beggars would ride them. This is an a dash. A. Zero conditional clause. B. Open real conditional clause. C. Imaginary conditional clause. D. Unfulfilled conditional clause. 48 number answer of C. Imaginary conditional clause. 49. The beggar told Sajjay that all would dash by Olga. A. Is chopped. B. Was chopped. C. Are chopped. D. Were chopped. 49 answer of B. Was chopped. 50 number, Adyasa 50 number, Adyasa said, I had a sweet dream last night. The correct indirect speech of the above statement is dash. A. Adyasa said that she had a sweet dream last night. B. Adyasa said that she has had a sweet dream last night. C. Adyasa said that she had a sweet dream last night. D. Adyasa said that she was having a sweet dream last night. 50 number answer of C. Adyasa said that she had a sweet dream last night. ଏହା ଥିଲା ଆମର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ଇଂଲିଶ ସେଟ୍ 2ର 50ଟି ସିଲେକ୍ଟିଭ MCQ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍। ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିଲେ चैनल को वीडियोटी को लाइक शेयर करने सहित चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करदेवे। यार पीडीएफ मु डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे दे देबी दे देइथिबी तुमे से डाउनलोड करके पढ़ी पारे।